Hey guys, this is second part of the SOCs. In previous video, we had discussed what SOCs is and why are we using SOCs in our cell phone. If you hadn't watched that video, you can watch it from the I tab or link in the description box. In this video, we are going to talk about CPU cores present in our SOCs. This is Sukhwani Kapil and you are watching SK Talks. CPUs are the soul and the brain of the SOCs. It contains the small physical unit known as the cores. Many times you have heard about the cores like dual core, quad core, hexacore or a deca core. What are the cores? Cores are the basic computing unit of the CPUs. Many people believe more cores means the more performance. Well, it is technically true but not entirely. Suppose you are an owner of a restaurant and you are hiring only one waiter for your restaurant. Restaurant is full of customers, but you have only one waiter, so he is able to serve one customer at a time, and other customers are waiting for him. Instead of that, you are hiring 4 or 6 waiters. Now, more customers can be served at a time. Same thing happens in our SOCs. If you have a CPU with one core, you are able to do only one task at a time. If you have a CPU with 4 or 6 cores, you are able to do more tasks at a time. Performance is not only depending on CPU cores, it also depends on which type of task you are doing. Splitting of a program or a workload across a many processing cores, so our CPU can work on many different part of workload at the same time. This concept is known as CPU parallelization. So our work can be done in much more speed. Our overall speed of our work can be increased by a large margin because of CPU parallelization. But all type of softwares or apps cannot use this CPU parallelization. If you are doing any simple math problem like 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, then one core can handle 5 into 4 and other core can handle 3 into 2. But if you are doing any complex math problem where you have to go step by step, then you cannot take the benefit of CPU parallelization. Performance of CPU is also depend on the architecture of core. If your cores are made up on architecture A53, they are weaker or less powerful cores. Processing speed of that type of cores will decrease. But if your cores are made up on A75 or latest A76 architecture, performance speed of your core will increase. Today all processor manufacturing companies are using mini-match technique. They are adding less powerful A53 cores and more powerful A75 cores in their processor for better performance. A75 cores are more powerful cores, they perform heavy tasks, and A53 cores are less powerful cores, they are useful for battery efficiency. If you get any knowledge from this video, please like and share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.